Afava educational atmosphere ama semgatnabagi pandamda state asida leiriba tuan-tuanba district pumbagi journal educational official singi oiba conclave ama chingmairongda leiba classic granda pangthokrai star education asenduna pangthokiba JEO conclave aduda state asigi tuan-tuanba district singi JEO AI DI yauna mihucha magatara na sarukyaki Conclave adugi manung channa star education na state asigi lenga ki maghada leiriba school singda takpi tambibagi mawongda ahong bama puraktuna hena fava education atmosphere ama semgatnaba paikhaliba thabak thauram singi matangda khana nainaki Conclave aduga mari leinana star education gi school director oina thopuriba naurem guneshorna star education asi CM school fagat hansi mission gi sarukamani lenga ki makhada leiba school singi education system semdoktuna takpi tambibagi lamda hena khumang sausil handuna mahiroi singda hena fava mahimasing tambagi atmosphere ama sagan na bahonabani Conclave asigi maruiba pandamde district ki leiriba JEO team singa star team ga afava mari ama thamduna star team gi academic plan sing mapung fana pangthok na bahonabani haiba wafam thamki
This program we arranged this to ensure that we establish a good connect between our star team and the JDO's team, and the JDOs from all the districts were invited. And our main aim that we want to achieve by the end of this program is, they understand the program better so that they can lead the schools in their respective districts and make sure that the schools follow the program effectively. We are also taking questions from the JDOs if they have any questions that they think should be clarified. Maybe questions are coming from the schools or from the pupils, from the parents. We are answering them so that they have no doubt when they go back after finishing this session.